Today I'm going to show you accounting software demo, which is for small businesses and large enterprises in UAE. In this software, what are the features we are providing? You can make quotations, VAT purchase invoices, VAT sales invoices, cash and bank receipt, cash and bank payments, automatically generated vouchers, different format of sales invoice, daily reports, sales reports, receivables, cash book, bank ledgers, account ledgers, trial balance, and income statement. So let's start the demo version. Here is the login form. Alright, you can see this login form. Here you can make multiple users and you can make one admin. For example, in your office there is 4 system you are using. Alright, so you make this software you can install on the server, and you can make different users and different logins, and you can assign the rights and permissions to each of your user, that he cannot view reports, he cannot change the data. Alright, so you can make this permission in this software. Now we can just log in this software. Alright, now here you can see the dashboard. In dashboard you can see new customers, vendor, suppliers, add items, purchase, non-tax, non-VAT, invoice, non-VAT, daily expense book, VAT purchases and VAT invoices. First of all, we just start with new customer. In this form you can add all of your customers. Alright, how you can add? Just simply you can click the add button. You can just enter the customer name, for example Ali Trading LLC. Alright, now you can add the contact person, which is Ali. Address, for example you enter Dera, Dubai. You can add the regions as well. For example, in Dubai, which area he is located, you can make the sub regions. You can add the telephone number, for example +97, and the number is XYZ. Alright, mobile phones, you can add fax. You can add the credit limit as well. For example, if you want to set the appropriate credit limit. For example, invoice will be not increase more than 1000 dirham or 2000 dirham. You can fix the limit as well. Alright, so I just save this. When you save this, your customer will be added to the location in this form. Okay, now the second part is vendor and suppliers. Vendor and suppliers, from where you purchase your items, from where you purchase the goods. Alright, we go to the vendor and suppliers. Same, there is 2 columns, cash purchase and credit purchase. We will add vendors in credit purchase. For example, I add Imran Trading LLC, which is my vendor. I can add same the details, contact, address, phone number, each and everything I can add here. I just save this. Now my vendor is my list. Alright, you can add all of your vendors. There is no limitations. You can add how many vendors you want, you can add. Now we come to add new items. Here is the section where you can add all of your items. For example, you are dealing in spare parts, you are dealing in machines, you are dealing any item. Alright, retail business or wholesale business or distributor you can add every item. For example, I go with main category, I can add general items. Alright, in subcategory I can add, like for example I'm mineral water supplier, so I just add the category which is mineral water. Now here in the item I can add, for example in item I would like to add mineral water 19 liter bottle. Alright, in item description you can add item description. In rack number you can mention where the your item is located. Purchase price, now you can add, for example 15 dirhams is the purchase price and 20 dirhams is the selling price. Here also you can add the reorder quantity. For example, if you want to reorder this, if you want alert or pop-up, for example you can set the reorder for 99 pieces, and when the stock will be across 99, that software will alert you that you need to reorder the quantity, stock is going to over. Alright, you just save this. So here you can see the item is already added. Now I go to the next one. I close this form. Now I'm going to do purchase. Now I have 2 options, purchase non-VAT and VAT purchases. I will go with VAT purchases. Okay, now here I will select my vendor. which is Imran Trading LLC. You can see I already add this Imran Trading LLC. Here you will got the previous balance as well, which is payable. You can see the previous balance option. Okay, now this is first invoice, balance is 0 obviously. Now we just write here vendor invoice number. If there any invoice number you can put there. Now date, you can see here is the date, which date you are purchasing. I go with the item which is mineral. Okay, I just find that mineral water. Now you can see the purchasing price as well, 15 dirhams, and the selling price balance is also, you can see here, is 0. Okay, now what I have to do, okay, first before that I need to change the currency because right now it's on rupees, so sorry for the interruption. I have to change the currency as well, so just let me change the currency, which is AED. Okay, the best part is in this software you can use any of the currency, no matter where are you look at it, UAE, USA, Canada, wherever. Now here I will change the currency, which is the United Arab Emirates. Okay, save. Now I will just restart the software. Okay, now all my invoices will be in AED. Now I will just again select the Imran Trading LLC vendor invoice number. I just put there and I put the item what I'm purchasing. Okay, now I'm purchasing which is quantity. For example, I purchased 10 bottles. Now each bottle is 15 dirhams. Now VAT, I put VAT 5% VAT, 8 dirham will be the VAT, and total including this 158 dirhams for my 10 bottles. Okay, now here 158 dirhams is total bill. Now how much you are paying to your vendor? For example, you are paying 58 dirhams advance and 100 dirhams you will pay later. So this 100 dirham will go to this Imran Trading ledger. Okay, so I just print this. If you want to print this and send to your party, you can just see the bill. All right, it's a complete bill. You can just make the PDF and you can send directly to print as well. Now I go to reports and I will just check account ledger, view account ledger. I just put here Imran LLC, and here you can see the ledger of Imran LLC. 158 was the credit amount which I have to pay. I already paid 58 dirhams. Now the remaining is 100 dirhams. You can see that 180 I have to pay. I just print the ledger and the ledger will be print like this. Okay, if you want to send ledger to your party, you can just make PDF and you can just send it. Now if I want to check the stock report, inventory report, I go to reports, inventory balances, display, and I can see that mineral water 19 liter 10 quantity already in hand I purchased. Quantity out is 0 because I didn't purchase anything yet. Sorry, I didn't sell anything, so the quantity is 10 available in stock. In total stock of AED 150 stock available. Alright. Okay, now I just make the sales. I have two options: sales invoice non-VAT and VAT invoice. Obviously I will go with VAT invoice and I will select the customer, which was Ali Trading LLC, Dera Dubai, address I got, number I already got. Okay, now here I will search the item, which is, now you can see when I write mineral water is showing in the stock 10 pieces available and the selling price AED 20. Okay, which is already made an item. Now here I will write, for example, I am selling 2 pieces. Okay, now 2 pieces I am selling, 20 dirhams is the charges for each, and I add VAT 5 dirhams. So total 2% added and 2 dirham added, and 42 is the total amount. Total 42 dirhams. Now how much I am getting? For example, I am not getting anything from this customer. He will pay me later, no problem. So I just got the print. Here you can see the print, which is sales tax invoice. You will get here your company name, which is right now Future Techno, but we will write here your company name, address, phone number, everything, and this invoice is created. You can just print directly and you can make the PDF as well. Now I want to see reports. If I want to check my inventory, automatically inventory less because 10 I purchased, 2 I already sold, and 8 is remaining, which is on in hand. I just double click that. So I just got the inventory ledger, which is I purchased from Imran Trading LLC. Now I sell Ali Trading LLC. 2 is available, 2 out, and now 8 is available in my stack. I can just print that inventory ledger as well. Now I want to see reports. I just go to sales reports. I would like to see daily report, sale report. Here I come. Total sale available is 40 dirhams. If I want to check date wise, for example, I want to filter first to 30 or 15 days sale, I can check it. I can check by customer as well. I just want Imran sale, I want Ali sale, I want Razak sale, Daniel sale. I can check each and every. I can filter it by customer as well. Also, I can filter it by cash and credit as well. Alright. Now I want to see the purchase reports, so I can see multiple, you can see multiple reports: purchase summary, purchase register, party purchase summary, activity, invoice wise. Let's go with purchase register. Total I have purchased mat, which is 150. Alright, and you can see if I want to see by period wise, like 1 to 30 or 15 days purchasing, or vendor wise, I can see, I can just, and even I can make sales tax purchase and non-tax purchase. I can make the filter as well. Okay, the best thing is every report is converted to Excel. You can just convert every report in Excel as well. Okay, now one more thing is you can check the ledgers, cash bank balances, customer balances, your receivables, your payables. Okay, this is your payables. Okay, now this is your receivables, all are still receivable from the market. Okay, and trial balance, income statement, balance sheet. Okay, I would like to show you complete chart of accounts, which is 4 level of accounts. You can manage your cash, bank, fixed assets, expenses, short term investment, loan, equity capitals, owner drawing account, profit and loss, cost of sales. Each and everything you can maintain in this software. If you would like to buy this software, in description our WhatsApp number and our direct call number is mentioned there. You can just contact us, and also you can see this dashboard. Now today's sale is showing 42 AED, cash and bank balances, receivables, customers, payables. Alright, so in description our number is mentioned. You can contact us directly. Thank you so much. Goodbye.